Words from Heaven. God welcomed me home into his loving arms, and I'm in perfect peace, for now I see his bigger picture. But I know you're hurting. I see you grieving and in pain. I'm watching you from the heavens, and I come to you as you cry. Feel me wrap my arms around you as I pull and hold you close. The warmth you feel against your skin is my touch. The wind sweeping by are whispers, I love you. My spirit talks to yours to remind you I'm still here and always will be. So let's sit a while in the quiet. Allow yourself to be aware of me. I'll now talk to you in different ways. You'll know it's me from the message. A little something special just for you. Keep the faith, hope, and love strong, for that is our deepest connection. They are the legacy of eternal truth. Just as God guides us on earth to touch others, he guides us in heaven to do the same. You may even entertain me as an angel one day. God is so gracious, and his love endures. As part of this heavenly realm, I now know beauty everlasting. One day we'll welcome you here with arms open wide. Until then, every time the wind blows, hear me whisper, I love you. Always have, always do, always will.